Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change your YouTube username. So in this video, I'm going to give you a full guide on how to change your YouTube username. So watch the very end so that you won't make any mistakes. So let's get started. So I have different steps at which you have to undergo for you to be able to change your YouTube username. So let's get started with the first step. So the first step is to open your YouTube Studio. So to do that, go to your YouTube Studio on a browser or open the YouTube app, then sign into your Google account. If not already signed in, then you can, on the step 2, you have to access your channel settings. So to do that, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select YouTube Studio. Then on the left sidebar, click the customization, then click basic info. Then on the step 3, change your channel name. Then under name, click the edit, which is the pencil icon, then enter your new username, then click publish to save changes. And here are the key thing that you need to note: the changes applies only to your YouTube channel name, not your Google account name. Now, to verify the changes, refresh your channel page to see the update username. After that, your new name will appear on all YouTube videos and comment. And here's another tips: you can only change your YouTube username 3 times every 90 days. And that's the simple steps on how you can easily change your username on YouTube. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.